This is day 41 of teaching data analytics. Today we are going to understand the concept of subplots for data visualization in Python. We are using Matplotlib as the base library for this. In the last video, we saw how to create a plot within a plot by specifying the different axes and the height and the width and the location of it. Now, let's say you want to create multiple plots like this. You cannot go about specifying each and every axis. To do that in a much better way, what you do is use the concept of subplots. To use subplots, you'll have to first unpack a tuple. You'll write fig as the figure that you want to create. You'll write axis and you'll write plt dot subplots. Now within the subplots, you have to specify the number of rows and the number of columns. You can pull up this definition and the documentation by using Shift and Tab. Now the number of rows that I want is 3 and the number of columns that I want is 2. Right? As soon as I do that, I get some empty plots. Now to plot each and every value, I have to use the basic documentation that we have in Python. This becomes your row 0 and this becomes your column 0, this becomes your column 1, this becomes your row 1 and this becomes your column 1, right? Using this, we will use axis. I'll give it the location and I will give it the column reference dot plot. I will plot it with A and B, which are just two random lists. Now I will look at my figure. What you can see is the value got plotted. Now what you also observe is these values are very congested, right? To fix that, what you do is you write fig dot tight layout and you press shift and enter, and as soon as you do that, your figure should be clear.